we're in central Kansas, north of Emporia, or northwest of Emporia. Got a severe warning storm. This is a tornado warning supercell. This right here is the bear's cage, right in front of me. Definitely not going to go into it. Very frequent lightning. It just got stronger. The velocity radar shows it getting stronger. The couplet's getting stronger. I'm just trying to wait for the FFD to cross my path so I can try to get closer to the notch. Looks like there's the horseshoe right up there. It's kind of a lowering nub right there. That's what I'm looking at. Supercell, continuing to chase it. It got a funnel cloud, but did not quite produce. Tail cloud. It's feeding. it's after sunset.